1,
I have a really busy weekend ahead of me. I have to work about 10 hours on Saturday. I'm really excited about Saturday night, though. I'm going to my friend Alex's party. He always has great parties. I don't have to go to work on Sunday, but I do have to spend all morning and afternoon writing a paper for my history class. Then on Sunday night, I'm going to the movies with some friends.
2,
This is going to be a great weekend. I can't wait for Sunday afternoon. My soccer team is playing in the finals. I hope we win. On Saturday, I'm going to the beach with my friends. And on Saturday night, we're going to have dinner at my favorite restaurant.
3,
I don't really have a lot going on this weekend. I was so busy last weekend that I didn't want to make any big plans for this weekend. I played soccer and went hiking last Saturday, then went for a long bike ride on Sunday. This weekend, I'm just going to stay home and read a book. I'm excited about being home by myself and relaxing all weekend.
4,
My friends and I are taking a road trip to Los Angeles this weekend. We're planning on leaving on Friday after class. We'll get to LA at around 7 in the evening, just in time for dinner. On Saturday, we'll probably hang out at the beach during the day. We're going to have a fire and sing songs all night. It's going to be fantastic.
5,
I plan to study most of this weekend, but on Saturday evening, I'm going over to my friend's house. It's her birthday, so she's having a few friends over for dinner. I'm really looking forward to seeing her. We haven't seen each other in 2 months. I knew I wouldn't have time to go shopping on Saturday, so I bought her a birthday gift on Friday. I got her a sweater. I hope she likes it.
6,
I play the guitar in a band, and my band has 2 shows this weekend. We're playing in a little cafe on Sunday night. We play there a lot and have a lot of fans there, so it'll be fun. I'm really excited about Saturday night, though. We're playing at a club downtown. We've never played in a big club before, so I'm kind of nervous.